I was very happy to get the goal and obviously win the penalty. Played a massive part in the game today, and yeah, it's just, you know, the boys was absolutely brilliant, and we owed Dyers one today, and obviously the fans for coming to every game, and we just haven't been performing, and we owed them one, and we've certainly done it today.
I thought we were the better team overall in the game, but you know, if you can't do the basics right in both boxes, they've done the basics in both boxes better than what we did today, and that's plain and simple. You know, no airs and graces, they get you turned, they've got two forwards up top, chase everything down. You know, we're trying to overplay, not, you know, football's simple if you stick to the basics and do it right. And we didn't do it. For as much as we had good play, did really well, just if you don't do the basics right in both boxes, you don't win games, and they were better at it than us today.
And their first win at home in the league since March, you must be relieved.
Relieved, chuffed. I think the boys were outstanding, weren't they? You know, what a response we've had through the defeat in midweek and last week, keep a clean sheet. We've stuck a penalty away where we've missed two in the last couple of games, but the overall effort, commitment was on another level, and I keep praising this group in terms of that, and I think they've been falling a little bit below par this last couple of weeks or whatever, but tonight was everything.
Last night we had training, we had a little bit of fun in training, just to get the boys back together. We've had a few injuries, as you can see. It's probably one of the first times we've had most of the boys back, and it was just to help, like Ruben today, come on, bad hip, still played his part today. And yes, the boys are back together now, and hopefully we can get a good run going.
And not a bad first goal to send you on your way.
Oh, he's fantastic, isn't he, Ricky? You know, he's, you know, to think that at this moment he's still a youth team player, and he's contributing massively. He's the first one on the team sheet for us. There's no getting away from that, and we think the world of him.
It doesn't take a rocket scientist to work out where our issue is. We're not scoring anywhere near enough goals. Listen, we create chances. You've seen today. We created chances, but we're not finishing them. You know, we're going to have to look at it in Jan. But I think everybody knows the circumstances in which I took this job. Very short notice. Already a week before pre-season, didn't have a team. You know, we've had to throw a team together. You know, going into the January window, we'll be looking to strengthen in certain areas, and you know, obviously, if we're lacking goals, that is certainly a place we'll be looking to replace some people.